Generally, it is illegal for your supervisor to change your time cards and to correct the hours that you put in your time cards and to put the number that your supervisor believes that you work or you should have worked. And that's because under the law, you should be paid for all the hours that you work. And if your boss starts coming in and cutting an hour here or half an hour there from your time cards, this means that you're not being compensated for all the hours worked, for all the hours that you work. And this again is illegal. If you find yourself in this type of situation where your supervisor is taking hours out of your time cards and you're not paid for all the hours that you work, you should consider doing several things. First, you should start keeping track of the hours that you actually work versus the hours that you're being paid for. This will be very helpful if and when you decide to pursue a claim against your employer for unpaid wages. Then you will have this document that shows all the hours that you haven't been paid for, and then you can decide, given the amount of unpaid wages and given your other circumstances, whether this kind of claim will be worth pursuing. Secondly, you should consider complaining in writing to your HR department or to the higher managers, or preferably to both, about the fact that you're not being paid properly and that your supervisor is altering your time cards. Of course, when you make such a complaint, you risk facing retaliation, and it might rub your supervisor the wrong way. He might try to write you up or set you up for some kind of suspension or even termination. Whether that risk is worth taking is something that you should personally decide, given all the surrounding circumstances of your employment and of the issues you're facing. And of course, you should consult with an experienced employment attorney to decide what the best strategy is for you in your specific circumstances. Thank you.